How to not get banned in Reddit. Now, if you don't want to get banned in any of the subreddit or the Reddit itself, you need to follow some community guidelines, and the best way to do that is to go to the subreddit and read all of the rules and make sure that you are not violating any rules while posting and commenting in the Reddit. Or you can go into your browser and search for Reddit community guidelines, and this first link will appear of the Reddit rules. Simply open it and read all of the rules. If you want to use Reddit prominently, you should know the rules of Reddit. Here are all of the rules listed that Reddit strictly monitors, and after following all of these rules and community guidelines and the subreddit guidelines and following all that strictly, you will not get banned in Reddit. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.